Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like circle frames overlapping on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this photo first, and I'm just going to mask it as a circle. Then I'm going to place it to the left. Then I'm going to add this image, and I'm also going to mask it as well. I'm then going to go back to basic, and I'm just going to make that the same size kind of. Then I'm going to select this first image, right click, create compound clip, select mask again and select reverse, and you're going to want to create a similar size circle, and you're going to place it to the left side of the image. I think that's a little bit too much. And then I am going to add another photo. So I'm going to copy and paste this one actually, and I'm going to use this photo instead. Okay, let's do that again. I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to go here, right click, create compound clip. Go to mask again, and then circle, and then reverse. And you're going to do that. So it's kind of like they're overlapping, but there's like some space here. And that is it. You can add in any backgrounds that you want. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!